Hi guys, welcome back to the Curl Factory. It's Raquel. Today we're going to talk about 2 steps in my wash day routine that have changed my hair. 2 steps I never knew about when my hair was relaxed and damaged, but these 2 steps have helped to make my hair manageable and soft. But before we get into this amazing video, you know what to do. Subscribe, like, and also follow me on Instagram. The 2 steps I'm going to mention, if you follow me, is going to come as absolutely no surprise. It's deep conditioning and a leave-in conditioner. When my hair was relaxed and damaged, all I would use was a rinse-out conditioner. I put it in, detangle my hair, and rinse it out. I didn't know about a deep conditioner and I didn't know about a leave-in conditioner. So I'm going to tell you how these 2 steps have really helped my hair. 1, deep conditioning really changed my mindset. I always thought, or I knew back then, that my hair was knotty, my hair was dry, detangling was painful. I would detangle like this, very, very knotty hair. And deep conditioning just helped put that moisture in. It helped make my hair soft and it made detangling a lot better. It helped me fall in love with my hair. The deep conditioning process changed my mindset from me having bad hair to me having nice soft hair. It's such an important process to me. I have videos on my channels on my favorite deep conditioners. I'm always on the lookout for a good deep conditioner because that step is so important for me. And then there's a leave-in conditioner. Leave-in conditioners, my oh my, I'm always looking for good leave-in conditioners. I love them. I love shopping for them because I know the value it adds to my hair. Putting in a leave-in conditioner before my gel helps to keep my hair moisturized. I know a lot of people straight from deep conditioning, they rinse their hair out and they put a gel straight in. I don't do that. I don't like that. Have I tried it before? Yes, but I find my hair is hard and crunchy if I don't set that base for styling with the leave-in conditioner. The leave-in coats my hair so nicely, preparing it for any styler, gel or cream. And then when my hair dries, my hair is soft, it's manageable. Throughout the week, my hair isn't dry because I've put in a good leave-in conditioner. Find a leave-in conditioner your hair likes. Find a leave-in conditioner that plays well with other stylers, because you'll find you can put a leave-in in a gel and then your hair starts flaking or your hair feels waxy and you don't really like it. Unfortunately, it is trial and error, but a good leave-in conditioner helps to keep my hair moisturized throughout the week. If my hair is looking a bit dry or feeling a bit dry, I add that leave-in conditioner and it just makes the world of difference. I'll end the video, guys, with saying that these 2 steps have helped me fall in love with my hair. They have changed the hair game for me, and I'm so grateful that I came across these steps. And in every video you'll see me deep condition and you'll see me use leave-in. I don't use them just because it's part of the routine. They actually serve a purpose and a beneficial purpose in my hair care routine. Thanks guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop your comments down below. Let me know what's your favorite deep conditioner and your favorite leave-in conditioner as well. We'll talk down below in the comments and I'll see you again. Take care.